Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm Crissy if you are new here. It is 9:30 in the morning and I have Layla and Maxwell, and Layla is getting ready to go to a dentist appointment. She has a little cavity back here, so she is getting it filled. And we're just outside of her dentist appointment. Hey, Papas, where's mommy's keys? Where's mommy's keys? Max. Maxwell, where's mommy's keys? Are they on the floor? There they are. Go get them. I like your little outfit. Can I have my keys? Maxwell has a runny nose because he has allergies, I think.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
Running into Walmart because I need to get some high protein, low carb foods for my diet. Okay, this is a super random grocery haul, but me, Sophia, Maxwell, and Layla are all home. Layla stayed home with me today because of her dentist appointment. It went well. She got her cavity filled. I picked up Sophia from preschool. I have a really big sweet tooth, and I can do my high protein, low carb diet all day, be super good with it, hit my macros, get everything super good, start feeling good about myself, and all of a sudden nighttime will come and I'll just get the biggest sweet tooth at night, especially. So instead of eating like Oreos and ice cream, I really like these Kodiak protein muffin cups. This one's blueberry, and then these ones are chocolate. This one has 12 grams of protein, and so does this one. These are super good. You just pour water into them and then you put them in the microwave for 1 minute, and they're like a fresh baked blueberry muffin, but they have protein in them. And then this is like a fresh baked chocolate chip muffin. So bomb, you guys. Definitely try these if you have a sweet tooth. We've been needing butter for the longest time. Every time we do pancakes and waffles, I always forget the butter. I mean the syrup. So I got some Mrs. Butterworth syrup. I got some Chick-fil-A sauce for a recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you guys later today. It's going to be for my dinner. I got some avocados. I got 4 of them, so there's one missing because I only have 3 of them here. I got some freeze-dried strawberries for some summer drinks that I'm going to be making. I got some Butter Crunch lettuce, some crunchy lettuce for dinner tonight for the kids. I'm making lettuce wraps. Some strawberries. Some bananas. The strawberries and bananas are just for on hand. All the kids love them. I like to eat them with my high protein 000 yogurt with granola and fresh fruit. I got some honey peanut butter to go with peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I thought I would try the honey peanut butter and see how the kids like that. I got some pancake mix. Some real good lightly breaded chicken strips for my recipe for dinner tonight. It's only for me. It is a high protein, low carb chicken and egg dish, and it's supposed to be really good. I found it on Instagram. I got some cucumbers. I got some ginger paste because I always need ginger paste in my recipes. I never get it. I always forget it. I never have it on hand, and I saw it today. Even though I don't need it for any upcoming recipes, I just saw it. It was an opportunity to grab it. So now I'll have it on hand next time I need it. And I got some 4 Mexican cheese, some Tillamook. Maxwell really likes cheese. We like to put these in our eggs, our salads. Maxwell really likes these. These are good protein for him. And they're nice and chunky strips for him to grab onto from his high chair and eat them with his little fingers. And then I got a treat for the kids, Nutella biscuits. These are so good. I'm not going to eat any, but I got them for the kids. I am making these sesame ginger chicken crumbles for dinner. This is them. I get them from Costco. They come in a 2-pack. And this is what I got the crisp lettuce for today. And then it comes with the sesame ginger sauce. These are so good. I buy these probably 2 or 3 times a month from Costco. They're so, so good.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
Not right now, because I'm done.
I'm taking the
It wasn't Maxwell.
Don't forget my salt
Okay, what salt?
on the cucumber. I like salt and cucumber.
On day 2 of my birthday treatment, alright. I stepped outside to feel the breeze on my face. As I sat down,
What's that?
crossed my mind.
Can I help you cut that?
This doesn't need to be cut.
Sally. Well, I guess I can tell you now. Brad asked us to meet us up here for free balloons.
Ready to eat, baby?
I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a
This day in vlog has completely gotten away from me. It's 11 o'clock. All the kids are obviously sleeping and I'm hungry. I did eat the lettuce wraps earlier, but now I want to show you guys a super high protein, low carb breakfast meal that you can eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I've been eating this for breakfast and sometimes late at night like tonight, but what you're gonna need is some original Chick-fil-A sauce, a couple of eggs, however many you want or how much protein you want, an avocado or a half an avocado. I like to eat the whole thing because I love avocados, and some Real Good Foods Co. lightly breaded chicken strips. So I'm going to cook these in the air fryer for 9 minutes. Two are small, so let's do 3 is good for me. These are the Real Good Foods Co. that I got from Walmart today. They have the huge bags at Costco that I highly suggest because this bag right here only has 20 ounces in it and it was like $11. But there's 23 grams of protein per serving, 3 grams of net carbs. The macros on here are amazing. These are gluten-free, grain-free, nothing artificial, no added hormones, nothing. Super good. They taste delicious. You can use these or the Just Bare chicken pieces or chicken strips. So good. I'm gonna crack my 3 eggs. I would normally only do 2 eggs, but I'm pretty hungry. And scramble them. Gonna chop up my avocado. You guys, this meal is so easy. It's so cheap. And helps you lose weight. There's lots of protein, so it keeps you full. I'm excited to eat, and I'm excited to eat with no kids wanting a bite, talking about, give me a bite. Can I have some? It's mommy's turn. I'm gonna add some Mexican 4 cheese. I got these from Maxwell, but it's okay. Just a little bit. honestly, I don't know why I put the avocado on the bottom. I'll leave this one to the top. Don't judge me. I know you guys are gonna come for me in the comments, but I don't care. So you pretty much just layer this. The chicken, the eggs, the avocado. You can add tomato to this. You can do this with turkey bacon. Scoop the avocado out. A little bit of sauce. Look how pretty that is, you guys. And it's so good. So I'm going to sit down, enjoy my food by myself with no children because it's 11 o'clock at night and everyone's sleeping. Yay. And edit this video, get it up for you guys. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.